How's it going, everybody? This is Fred Livai, VP of Sales, here to prove my score. And I wanted to bring this video to you guys because I had something that kind of hit home for me. A lot of times people come to me and they think that credit repair is an overnight fix. So I want to debunk that right now. I want to go ahead and let you guys know that it's not a quick fix. It typically takes, on average, 4 to 6 months to complete. So with that being said, you guys got to allow for the process to happen. It's not an overnight thing. There's reasons why it takes 4 to 6 months. One of the main reasons is one, the amount of time that the bureaus have to respond, the amount of times that furnishers have to respond, and the amount of times it takes to mail these items out. You know, it's going out in the mail, both coming and going. So we send out a letter to the recipient. The recipient will review that letter, and then in turn they'll respond to that letter. So there's time frames put in place, and that's the reason why it takes 4 to 6 months on average. I mean, we can get things done sooner. It may take longer. So we want to let you guys know up front that it can take a little bit longer. Now, the reason why I wanted to bring this to your guys' attention is because a lot of people come to me and they want to get their credit fixed, and after being with us for a few weeks and we try to get in and go and check their credit monitoring, it's not active. So something that's very important, it's mandatory to have credit monitoring while enrolled with our services, and the reason being is because we need to be able to see what's going on with your credit report at all times. We do things in the background in between the mailing that we send out for you guys. So it's not like we just mail something out and we just sit and don't do anything. We actually do monitor what's going on with the reports through your credit monitoring. We might take a peek every couple weeks or every week and a half just to see if there's any changes that have happened from the time that we've sent out credit reports. Now, again, this is something that goes on in the background that you guys don't even get to see. So it's a little extra added value that we provide to our clients, because we like to treat all of our clients as a VIP, because that's what they are. They're very important to us, and they're the lifeline of our business. So you guys might not see it initially, but for the time that you're with us, we will treat and do everything that we can in our power, because we do have a passion for this, folks. Our passion is to help you guys reach your guys' goals, to get whatever it is that you come to us to get, whether it's a house, car, some type of money product like a credit card, a loan. It's our job to, one, we want to help educate you and give you guys the information that's needed. And two, we want to be able to try to make sure that everything that's on your credit report is accurate. We don't want any mistakes. And sometimes we'll send out a dispute and that information is verified. Folks, there's nothing we can do to get verifiable information removed from your credit report. If it's legally on there, there's nothing we can do. All we can do is move forward. We can help you guys with trying to maybe ask for a pay for delete. You know, pay the account off. In turn, they'll go ahead and delete the negative or derogatory item, whether it's a late payment or collection or whatever the case might be, charge off. Our job is to try to get everything on your credit report to report accurately, because the Fair Credit Reporting Act says it has to be accurate, has to be verifiable. So we're going to go ahead and, by all means, do everything in our power to make sure everything is correct on your credit and reporting legally. Okay? So just because you're enrolled with our company or any other credit repair company out there, I want you guys to have the education to know that the Fair Credit Reporting Act, which is a federal law, that's the law that states what these companies are able to do and cannot do. So our job is to go ahead, we review that. It's about 90 pages. Fair Credit Reporting Act, you can Google it and see what it is. We know that like the back of our hand. Okay? So it's not like we're doing our work just based on, you know, things we've heard. We've been doing this for a long time. I myself have been doing credit repair for 18 and a half years now. Well, no, not 18 and a half. 18 and a quarter years. But I started in June of 2000, so we're in September, so, you know, that's how long I've been doing it. I have a little bit of knowledge of credit and how it works and the different federal laws that govern credit. So I'm going to do my very best to help you guys. Okay. Another topic I wanted to bring up, because these are the things that I've seen over this past week, is when you're going through credit repair, try your very best not to apply for credit. That you're shooting yourself in the foot when you apply for credit, especially knowing that you have bad credit. Let us finish the process, or let the company that's working on your credit file, let them finish the process, so that way they can go ahead and you know, get you the best rate. You know, you just signed up for credit repair 2 weeks ago, and you're out applying for a car loan 2 weeks later. Folks, your score hasn't changed that much, if it's changed at all. It could have gone down. We don't know what the case is. So before doing anything, I highly recommend, you know, before you go ahead and start applying or trying to get credit line increases or whatever the case is, anything credit related, once you start a credit repair program, what I want you guys to do is just to contact me and let me go ahead and try to help advise you on what I think is the best thing in your for your best interest. You know, because I'm going to talk to you guys as if I'm talking to my own kids. I'm going to give you guys the same information, because once you've joined my program, you now become family to me. You know, you're part of the Approve My Score family, and we're going to do everything we can to get you in a place to get you approved. That's the bottom line. So that was another thing that's, you know, come across my desk. You know, one of my processors has brought a few of these examples to my attention. So I wanted to go ahead and speak on it, because at the end of the day, I work for you guys, and I need my work, you know, to prove who we are as a company. Because without you guys and your referrals, that's basically how we grow, is based on word of mouth. You know, we're able to get these results for our clients, and then our clients, they spread the word of our services, and that's how we're able to touch more and more lives. Our goal is to touch 1,000 people's lives over the course of each year. We would like to do more than that. This is, you know, only our short-term goal, but it's a goal nonetheless. And just like we have goals, we understand that you guys have goals, and we're here to help you guys meet those goals. Whatever we have to do to try to help you guys get to that goal, you know, we want to be able to answer all your questions. You know, don't think just because you've already started your services with us that the questions stop. If you have questions throughout your services, ask away. You know, like I said, we're here to help you guys get to where you guys want to go. So, you know, we've been doing this for a long time. We've helped thousands of people fix their credit. We've looked at tens of thousands of credit reports. It's not that we're not going to give, you know, we're not going to give you bad information. We're going to give you the best knowledge that we have to help you guys get the best product that you want. Okay? Now, if you want a car loan, what we're looking for is the best product. We're looking for the best rate. Okay? Sometimes you go buy a car and, you know, they have, you know, they might have low rates or a rebate, and you only can pick one. Which one do you want? So it all adds up at the end. But our goal, like I said, our ultimate goal is to help you guys reach your guys' goals. So with that being said, I want to cut this off. I want to stay under 10 minutes. So if you guys have any questions or concerns, comment below. Give us a call at 800-972-3970, or send us an email, info@approvemyscore.com. If you guys think that you know somebody who may benefit from this information, please share it with them. You know, like I said, we're trying to get the word out, and we want to touch as many lives as possible. We're coming into the fourth quarter of 2018, and our goal is to hit 250 people to help the lives of 250 families. So with that being said, again, thank you guys for watching, and I will talk to you guys soon. You guys have a great day and a great weekend.